Hey guys, it's versatilechi, and I'm going to give you 8 reasons why you should start your couponing journey in the year 2024. Up. I do not want to hear it. I don't want to hear you don't have the time. I don't want to hear it's too complicated. I don't want to hear any of that stuff. There's so many resources out there, including my new resource if you guys are interested in a full 50-page guide, step by step, exactly how to coupon. I will have that link for you in my description bar. But let's get into these 10 reasons why you need to be couponing. Obviously, the most important reason, you are going to save so much money. Guys, I cannot tell you how much money I have saved with couponing, the places that I've been able to go to, how good it feels to not have to worry about spending excess money on retail items like groceries, my toiletries, toilet paper, etc. You want to travel more. Let's face it, it's a new year. We all have our vision boards written up somewhere on your computer screen on a big white poster board, and I'm pretty sure that getting on an airplane or going to some type of island or destination of whatever sort is on your list. Wouldn't it feel great or better to know that you don't have to worry about those type of things? Let's be real, when you live paycheck to paycheck, or if you're a person that's retired or just going through things, where am I going to find this money? I literally have to keep food on the table, clothes on my back. I need to make sure that I eat. I need to make sure that my family is good. I don't have the money to do the stuff, or at least the extra money. And with couponing, you can definitely clear up a lot of those things that you are missing. Or kicking inflation's ass, and I do mean that literally. While you cannot coupon literally everything, I'm sure you guys are aware of like sales, discounts, and all that stuff, and the best time and worst time of the year to buy things. You will still be up with inflation by being able to stock your home up with things that you know that you're going to have to buy. So kicking inflation's ass is kind of like a really good thing. Like, it sits really well with you when you, yes, you didn't have to pay full price for anything that you buy, especially groceries. Having a house full of groceries is everyone's dream. I am not specifically talking about a person that, has food stamps. We've all had to deal with something like that before, particularly for the person who might not qualify for stamps or is just tired of paying $300-400 for a grocery bill. Learning how to coupon, especially in the grocery stores, is going to be ideal, meaning you will save yourself and your family so much money. Like, I can't even explain it. I love the fact that I have a house full of food, a freezer full of food, stock. Hell, at this point, I need a deep freezer. I don't have no space in my kitchen for one, but I need a deep freezer because the deep freezer will be full. But that will be in due time. A new skill. New skills are important, especially when it comes to having that new vision board of something to do. You would think like, okay, it's coupons. It's not a college degree. It's not any fancy licenses or vocational training, major milestones. I want to say that it is a huge accomplishment. It is such a huge accomplishment to learn a skill and be able to break down and save for your family. Now, again, I'm an entrepreneur, a full-time entrepreneur and content creator to different types of businesses in different fields. Anybody gets it, I definitely get it. And I don't care if I have a good month. Not all my months are going to be great, but let's just say I do have a great month and I make a lot of money. I'm still going to coupon. In fact, fun fact, I had a lot of money at one time when I was very, very young. I was inherited money. Even then, I knew, because it took me years to actually be able to go through it because I didn't know what I knew now. But even then, I just knew I was a frugal person who learned that you have to value a dollar, because the dollar never adds up. It never equates to the same thing years later. So you remember when we were buying Little Debbie snack, Doritos, whatever it was when we were a kid, and they were like a quarter? Now those same snacks or ice creams or ices or whatever are like 59 cents, a dollar. And literally the bag is nothing but air. I saw that very young as a kid, and creeping onto my adolescent stage, teenagerhood, adulthood, blah, blah, blah. Even with all this money to touch my hands and then not touch my hands, and then to be in fields where I can make tons of money now, it's like I still want to save money. That's just the nature of me. That's just how I am. Being able to better support your family and friends. I can't stress this enough. If you have a refrigerator full of food, pantries, closets, shelves, garages, all that stuff full of supplies and things that you need for when things happen, when tragedies occur, like COVID, doing yourself a really big favor and not an injustice, as well as supporting your family and friends. Let's just face it, again, COVID woke me up for a lot of things. Having my place naturally where it was supposed to be, stocked up, and learning these different skills and techniques allowed me to be okay with not having to go to the store because the store was shut down, or we weren't able to get out much. A peace of mind pretty much ties in from 1 to 7 on everything I said. Peace of mind on a financial note, a peace of mind on a mental note, clarity, a peace of mind on not having to spend and drag down so much money, being able to travel at ease because you saved yourself hundreds of dollars. A peace of mind is definitely what you're going to need in 2024.